Using this balloon and some newspapers and a glue mixture that we made. So we put water, flour, and some white glue, and we mix them all together. Now, we're just going to put the piece of newspaper and then paint it with this mixture.
Just so happens that you need help.
Yeah, just put some here. And then we're going to put the next one on. So now that this is dried and it's pretty hard, I'm going to pop the balloon. Remove it. I'm going to cover this with this black crepe paper. Now that this is dried, I'm going to make the shoulders, and I'm going to use this hanger to make them. So I'm just going to stick it in right through here. Put it on, as you see. I put some hot glue on to hold this together. So we've got the shoulders and the head. And now I've got a long balloon, and I'm going to try to push the sides in here. And these will act as the arms. So I'm just going to tape these together to create like a hunched back. I'm going to keep it like this and cover it, as usual, with some glue and newspapers to hold the shape. I'm making the cloak for the Wraith, but because my Wraith head is made out of paper, I'm not going to be able to put anything wet on it, so I'm going to use this balloon instead. I'm going to lay out the shape here, let it dry, and then once it's done I'm going to take it off. I've created a solution of starch, water, paint, black paint, and white glue. Put them all together in here, mix them up, and then I'm just going to dip in the different types of cloth that I have. Now I'm going to show you how to make the hand for the Wraith. I already made one. And what you need are some pipe cleaners. So you need 2 long pipe cleaners and 1 shorter one. First, you have to bend them so that one side is slightly longer than the other. And these are going to be the longer fingers, and these are going to be the shorter sort of fingers. And then make a bit of a loop right here at the bottom. And then take the shorter pipe cleaner and wrap it around this bit a few times and sort of twirl it together to make the thumb. So here you go. Now we need the yarn. So make a knot. And then you need to start wrapping the yarn. Make sure you keep this side, this bit open, because we're going to use this to attach the hands to the Wraith body. I'm going to start with the thumb. You can sort of bend the rest of the fingers right here so they don't get in your way. Right, keep this part, sort of bend it here to make it sort of like a hook, and then wrap the yarn around it and then push it in and then cover it up. This way you'll have the tip of the thumb showing. So now as you build a little bit more meat on the thumb, don't forget to make a knuckle. So just wrap a little bit more yarn on this bit, sort of have a knuckle, and then keep going. So now I've got all the fingers wrapped, and as you see, I've got this one slightly shorter and then just has that hand shape. A little bit of glow in the dark Mod Podge. I'm going to paint the hands with this Mod Podge first of all to stick all the yarn together so it doesn't unravel, and give it a bit of a shine. Make sure when you're letting them dry to bend them the way that you want them to look later on. I already attached one hand onto the Wraith, and I'm going to be attaching this one here. So I've got the hand, 2 pieces of wire, and then you just need to push the wire in here to sort of create a firm wrist. You take some yarn and you just wrap it up around it so that it will be properly attached on. I need to wrap it here, but you also need to sort of wrap it around the hand. And it's ready to be inserted into the arm. And I start inserting this inside all the wrapped layers. I take the balloon, part of the balloon, and just tie it around the wrist. So this is the hard part. I'm going to cut out the mouth. I finished making the mouth, and as you see, I stuck crepe paper all around it and made the hole smaller and made the chin a bit longer just to give it a more evil look. So I'm going to spray this black just to give it a consistent look.